Namaste and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Aries. Aries people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Okay. So Aries, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Okay. So we have Knight of Swords. Aries, this is your current energy. Are you in a hurry to take any action? Okay, so this card is telling me that Aries, you are very desperate to take certain action towards something. Okay, it could be in any direction. It could be in your love and relationship direction. It could be in your career direction, or your finances direction, or perhaps some of you really want to communicate with somebody. Okay, it could be your partner as well. So there is something, you are feeling immense urgency about something, that you have to do it right now, or you should do it right now, or some of you must be feeling that now it is the time I should act. Okay, I have thought a lot about XYZ thing. Now it's my time to take action, and I don't want to waste a minute of my life. Okay, so I just want to take action as fast as I can. Seems like you are running really fast, really fast, to save somebody. Okay, this person is not happy, this person is very anxious. So some of you must be feeling that you need that you I mean some of you must be feeling a sense of you know uh, you guys have urge to save somebody. You feel that somebody is going on a wrong path. Okay, you feel that someone is in danger. So um, some of you must be thinking in that way. So that's why some of you must be taking a lot of actions, and so many actions and rapid action towards the towards somebody. Okay, or to save somebody basically. Okay. Okay, Aries, this is your partner's energy. Nine of Wands in reverse. I feel that your person who was very much into, in their comfort zone, now they have planned, or they have decided to move out from this comfort zone. Okay, they were very anxious in past. They were very fearful in past. Okay, maybe something was happening with them. Okay, in their life in past. Okay, so they were like so confused, or they were like so anxious, they were like so fearful about their future. Okay, so now I feel with this card that they are choosing their own path. They just want to take a risk in life right now basically. So they are feeling that it's okay, whatever is going to happen, I'll handle that. Okay, uh, I can't be in this energy anymore. Okay, for how long I'll be here? Okay, I have to move out from this energy. Okay, so the sooner I'll move out from this energy, it will going to be fruitful for me. So I feel with this card, your person is taking action towards their own growth, towards their own expansion, towards their own success. Okay, they were somebody who was very fearful. Okay, they were into their comfort zone. Okay, they never wanted to break that comfort zone energy. Okay, but now they feel that they should make certain changes in their life. Okay, so for that thing, or to gain something, or to get something in life, they have to move, or they have to break their comfort zone. So that's what they are doing right now. Okay, now let's see, Aries, how you see them and how they see you. Okay. uh, that's what you feel about your person, Aries. We have Four of Swords. So I feel that Aries, you feel about this person as they are somebody who is least interested in taking any action towards anything, okay? And I feel that, as I told you, that they are the person who loves their comfort zone. So I feel you also know this fact that, okay, this person is not going to do anything in this relationship, okay, or this person is not ready to be in this relationship or any other relationship. So when it comes to relationship thing, you feel that this person doesn't have emotion, this person doesn't know how to, you know, how to show emotions to the other person, how to be friend with the other person, how to talk to the other person. So you feel at some point of time that this person does not want to take any action, okay? This person is not interested in anyone. It's not you, but they are not interested in anyone, okay? So they are sleeping, they are just enjoying their own time. They are just, uh, they are just, they are just sleeping. They are sleeping peacefully. They don't even care about anybody, okay? Or it could also happen, Aries, for some of you, that you feel that your person is someone who is a warrior, okay? Maybe they have been through a lot of, ups and downs in life. Maybe they have seen so many good and bad phases in life, and majorly they must have seen really tough time in life. Now they are just chilling, now they are just taking a break from their routine life, okay? I feel that they for I mean, some of you, Aries, you feel that this person has put a lot of efforts to gain what they have in life right now. So now, now it is their time to enjoy their own time. Now it is their time to have peace, to get, I mean, to have uh, their me time, okay? So there are two stories. First, either you feel that your person is someone who is not interested in any kind of relationship, or second story is that some of you feel that your person is really hardworking, they have earned a lot of things in life, okay? So now it is their time to have to have some me time, or to have to get some relax, or to to just chill, okay? On the other hand, Aries, your person feels about you with the star card that you are somebody who is, surrounded by so many options in life. So many options means so many options. Okay, in terms of relationship thing, they feel that you are someone who is very adorable, very charming. Okay, they see that anybody can fall for you, or anybody, easily fall for you, because just because of your beauty, or your personality, or your charisma, or your, your good heart, okay? So your person sees you as somebody who has so many options in their life, in your life, but it's you who does not want to see anyone, okay? Perhaps you must be, working on something. Perhaps you are, really putting your all efforts into something. It could be your studies, it could be your job, it could be your finances, it could be your goal. So your person feels that you, even though you are surrounded by so many options, but still you have, you know what is your priority in life, okay? Plus you also, they also feel that you are somebody who believes in God, okay? Because you are busy in your own work, okay? You must be busy in your own studies, you must be busy in your own job, you must be busy in your own daily routine life, okay? But still you have a little hope, or I mean, you are very hopeful, or you have a strong faith in God, that God must have kept something best for you, okay? So they see you as somebody who is spiritual, who is intelligent, who is mature, who is responsible, okay? Okay, now let's see what you feel about this relationship, and how you see this relationship, and how they see this relationship. Okay. Five of Swords, Ten of Pentacles. Aries, are you guys dealing with fire, air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius? Okay, so with this Five of Swords card, Aries, I feel Aries, I feel that you think about your person, or you think about this relationship as they are your savior, okay? Perhaps you guys have not spoken on this thing ever, okay? Or maybe you have not discussed this thing in detail, but there is somewhere in your heart you feel that my partner is my savior, my partner is my guardian angel, my partner is my protector, okay? So you feel that this is your person, Aries, okay? And this person is standing just behind your back, okay, to support you in every phase of your life, okay? So you feel that they are the one who is protecting you, who is, who's saving you from all the evil people, all the bad people, all the bad emotions, okay? So basically you feel protected in this relationship with them. On the other hand, Aries, your person feels about this relationship with this Ten of Pentacle cards. I mean, they feel that complete abundance and prosperity with you, okay? I mean, this relationship is everything for them, I would say. So they see you, I mean, they really want to have complete family with you. They really want to live life with you. They really want to have kids with you. They really want to make a home with you. So they feel this relationship as a complete home, okay? They don't take this relationship for granted. They don't take you for granted, okay? They respect you, they adore you, they protect you, okay? Okay, now let's see what is going to be the future potential. Three of Pentacles, I feel, Aries, in future both of you are going to consult with somebody, okay? Perhaps you guys are meeting with your elders, okay? Perhaps you guys are going to take certain action towards each other. Maybe you feel that in future that okay, now it is the time to take this relationship on a next level. Now we should take blessings of our elders too, okay, before starting our life, okay? So I feel that in future you are definitely going to talk to your elders, okay? Maybe it's them who will be talking to their parents, who will be talking to their friends and family and loved ones, or it's you who is going to discuss about them within your family, within your friends, within your loved ones, okay? That see, this is a person, or and I really would like to be with them, okay? So some kind of a discussion, some kind of meeting is what I'm seeing for you, Aries, in future. A lot of discussion is going to take place in future, okay? But I feel that both of you will convince your families, okay, your friends, your loved ones. Plus I feel that when your love is very strong, or when your attachment with each other is very strong, then none will, nobody is going to take, or nobody is going to raise a question on you or on this relationship, Aries, okay? Okay, so if Aries, I feel that some of you could be dealing with air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, with this Knight of Swords, Four of Swords, and Five of Swords. Okay, we have Earth sign in this reading, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, with this Three of Pentacles and Ten of Pentacles. Some of you could be dealing with another fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, with this Nine of Wands in reverse. And some of you could be dealing with Aquarius, okay, with this Star card. Okay. Okay, so Aries, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye, and wish you a very happy new year.